Well, just as I thought there wouldn't be any more trains coming, here comes the southbound. Let's see who we got on there. Oh, nice, some G's. 4275. Oh, nice, the AC44C6M, 9296, 9163. Oh, Burlington Northern, Santa Fe. DTTX 760935. Oh, this one's going to be a long train. I don't suppose we'll have any DPUs on this train. On the other side of the track is some switching going on with two track mobiles, which I'll show you in a little bit after the bottom of this train passes. There's actually two of them. There's a red one on the north side. You can actually see a little bit. The bottom of the train's getting ready to pass. And as soon as these two cars pass, I'll show you the other one. This is a grain elevator, and you have two switcher engines. So rather than use two locomotives, you use two track mobiles, helps save fuel consumption. And there go the gates up. You should always wait until the gates are completely up and the lights have stopped flashing before crossing. You never know if a second train can come along. Safe trip to the Southbound crew on the NS Columbus District. And this is NS Steampunk signing out, checking in at Circleville. Tower 93, over and out.